Suppose you have a lot of dates and you want to know the day which was on the particular date. For that, all you have to do is just use the text function. So equals to text bracket starts, and then select the cell of the date, and then comma, then inverted comma starts, and then type D 4 times, and then inverted comma closes and the bracket closes, and then press enter, and you will get the day which was there on the particular date. Double click on this and you will get it for all the dates that are there in a particular column. So this is how you do it. You just go to the cell, type text, which means that you are using the text function, and then select the cell, and then comma, inverted comma, D 4 times, and then inverted comma closes and the bracket closes. You can also just if in case you want to get only the first 3 characters of any particular day, then just type text and then select the cell and then inverted comma, so you have DA 3 times like this, and you will get the first 3 characters of the day, and then double click on the square, small square, and you will get it for all the dates. And in case you want to remove the formula from the column, then just select all the values and then copy it and then paste as values. So in that case, the formula will be removed from the column. So this is how you get the day for a given date.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.